Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I did my first Valentine's Day look, and I know I'm a little early because it's still January, but I was a little too excited, but I hope you guys like it. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. If you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, I do have a video on that, and I will leave the link down below in the description bar if you guys want to see that. And first I'm going to be applying Vaseline to my lips. I always have to do that before I do my makeup. And please excuse my overgrown nails. I need to get them done ASAP. So I'm going to be priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I just blended that out with the Real Techniques blending sponge. I'm going to be applying tape to the corners of my eyes, and that's going to make the eyeshadow look more sharp and clean. And that's what I want for this look. And for this look, we're going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And with the Sigma E40, we're going to take this color right here and put it all over our crease. And you always want to go back and forth between eyes just to make sure everything is going the same direction. Everything looks similar. And now with the Morphe M441, we're going to be taking the color Love Letter, which is this one right here. And we're going to be applying that on the crease, but not taking it up as high as the first color that we used. We're keeping it lower than the other color, but we're still blending that out a lot. And just remember to take your time to blend. You want to blend a lot. Now taking the first brush and the first color that we used, we're going to go over the color that we used right now, just to make it look more blended. Now to deepen up the crease even more, we're going to use the M562 brush, using the Patrickstarrr Goalgetter eyeshadow quad, and I'll be going in the darkest shade. And with this, we're just going to be outlining where the crease is going to go. So like this, and just wing it out. And just keep adding more and more until it looks dark enough. And just keep blending it as well. Now going back to Love Letter, we're going to be applying it on the edges of the color we just applied right now. Just so we won't lose that pink color we had before. And just go ahead and blend all that out. Now with the flat concealer brush and any liquid concealer, we're going to carve out crease following our natural crease and then going outwards at the tail. Once you have your crease carved out, we're going to be setting our lid with the transition color that we used first, which is this one. Okay, you guys, so I chose the wrong shade. The right shade is the one on the left of this color. And it was looking a little dark, but I didn't know why. But it doesn't matter because we're still going to put glitter on top. So on the other eye, I actually chose the right shade. So yeah, one eye looks darker than the other, but it doesn't really matter. We're going to cover it with glitter. And I know it looks so funny, but it's okay. And now I'm going to do my eyeliner because I hate doing eyeliner over glitter. So I'm going to do my eyeliner first. And you don't have to be careful with the corner because you have tape there. So it's going to help you as a guide for your eyeliner. For glitter, I'm going to be using Blushes Pink that I got from superglitters.com. And I'll be using this eyelash glue that I got from a pair of lashes. And I'll be applying the glue wherever I want the glitter to go. And with the flat brush, I'm going to be applying the glitter. And I actually switched over to a smaller brush because it's easier to apply glitter. You're more precise than using a big brush for it. And as I go, I'm just adding more glue and more glitter until I get to the end of where I carved my crease. Now I'm just going to fix my eyeliner real quick. Now I'm going to dust off all this glitter. For eyelashes, I'm going to be using the Flutter Lashes in the style Captivating. Now I'll be using the duo glue in the dark tone. While the glue was drying, I just applied a little bit of mascara, and I'm going to go ahead and apply the lashes now. Now with this e.l.f. brush, I'm going to be using the lightest shade in the palette and applying that on my brow bone. And I already primed my face, and the foundation that I'm going to be using is the Milani Conceal and Perfect. And this is a shade 01, Creamy Vanilla. And I'm going to be applying that with the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. And this foundation is looking so yellow in the camera, but in person it doesn't look like this, so it's okay. And for concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. in the lightest shade, which is Fair. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Patrickstarrr setting powder. I'm going to be putting a little bit of that all over my face as well. To contour, I'm going to be using the Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D. And I'm going to be using the MAC 168 brush. And I'll be grabbing a little bit of the darker shade and mixing it with the lighter shade. And to contour my forehead and my chin and the rest of my face, I just use the lightest shade. But for my cheekbones, I like to use the darkest shade just a little bit so it could be more defined. I like my cheekbones to be a little bit more defined than the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna contour my nose. Using the middle shade of the palette, I'm gonna be carving my contour. For blush, I'm gonna be using MAC Breath of Plum with the Sephora blush brush. For highlight, I'm going to be using Champaign Pop by Becca. Now for lips, I'm going to be mixing Beeper by ColourPop and the color 06 in the NYX liquid lipstick. Now moving back to the eyes, we're going to be taking Love Letter and we're going to put that on our lower lash line. Now we're going to be taking that transition color we used and put it over top. And then we're going to be taking the darkest shade of the quad and put it closer to the lash line. And then we're going to be taking this color right here and putting it in our tear duct. And next I'm going to be tight lining my eyes using the Ingot gel eyeliner in 77. And right here I'm just elongating the eyeliner from the inner corners. And now I'm just applying mascara to my lower lashes. And to set my face, I'm going to be using the MAC Fix Plus. And this is the final look, you guys. I really hope you guys liked it. And I will be making more simple Valentine's Day looks for you guys, for those that don't really like dramatic looks. And also, I just made an Instagram account, so if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me if you would like to. I will leave my Instagram username here. And please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.